Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I just got my Ipsy Glam Bag and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus in the mail. This is the first month that I'm receiving this in PR. In the past, all of my bags have been purchased by myself. That being said, I do have a bag coming because I'm still a subscriber later in the month, so we'll be doing a paid versus PR later on. But for today, we're going to do an unboxing and review of these two bags, both of which were sent to me in PR, but this is not sponsored at all. 100% authentic, honest opinions, just unbagging the different variations and seeing whether the Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus is worth that subscription price. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into what I'm going to call the most adorable Glam Bag ever, like this is totally my vibe. I love the lime green, I love the vampire fang on both of these bags. If you want to jump into these with me, stay tuned. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is jump into the Ipsy Glam Bag. This is the original Glam Bag, the regular size. It is $13 a month, and you get 5 deluxe size, sample size products. And we're going to jump into all 5 and see, is this worth that $13 value? So the first item comes from Tatcha, and this is the Dewy Skin Cream. Retailing, I don't have a full-size retail value. The full size is like $60-something. This is a 10 milliliter size. True to its name, the luxurious cream contains ceramides, algae extracts, and purple rice extract to majorly up your skin's dew factor. It is ideal for dry, dull skin in need of some extra moisture love. Scoop a pearl-sized amount of cream into the jar, massage into the face and neck, and décolleté in upward strokes. Can be used daily, both morning and night, or even under makeup. Cruelty-free, and yeah, so I have used this product in the past. It is way too nourishing for my skin. I've said this in the past, but I have more combo-leaning oily skin, so it's a little too rich for me. I have used Tatcha a lot in the past. I used their water cream for a very long time. It does give me a little bit of a sensitivity. I go a little red when I use it, but it is very hydrating and very soothing. The Indigo cream, however, does not give me any issues because that indigo is a calming, soothing ingredient. But this is an amazing product for anybody who has dry skin. I do like to keep this on hand in a makeup kit, so anytime I'm doing anybody's makeup, if they have drier skin, this is an amazing prep product. I also love deluxe size skincare because I feel so guilty opening full-size products because I go through so many and I'm constantly trying new and opening new. So for me personally, a sample size is great to find out if I like something enough to commit to a full size or if I'm going to pass on it. The next item out of the bag comes from Goldfaden MD. It is the Solution Doctor's Scrub Ruby Crystal Microderm Exfoliator. This scrub features ruby crystals to help polish away dead surface skin, which help to leave the skin feeling brighter and tighter. Plus, it is formulated with hyaluronic acid, a super moisturizing molecule for skin-quenching hydration that lasts. How to use it? Gently massage a dime-size amount onto damp skin. For the décolleté, scrub down, massage onto chest and neck twice a week. I'm going to give this a try. I do love a good exfoliator. I'm going to be honest, typically I don't go for physical exfoliators. I prefer a chemical exfoliator. But because it has hyaluronic acid and it's going to be a little more on the calming side, I'm okay with trying it out. My issue is when people jump into the St. Ives apricot scrub or any of those like harsh walnut scrubs that are a little bit too much for, you know, weekly use because they are pretty strong. But based on what I'm reading here, there are some nice calming oils and ingredients that are going to be a little more on the soothing side, so it won't leave you feeling as stripped. So I'm going to give that a try, and I'll give you guys an update at the end of the month how I feel. I do this every single month where if I'm unboxing skincare, obviously I won't know until I'm using it for a few times if it's going to work out for me. So at the end of the month, I do come back and give you like, here's an update on what I've been liking and what I haven't, and you'll be able to see that in the video at the end of the month. Next up, this is from This Works. It is the In Transit No Traces Rosewater and Mint Infused Pads to gently remove makeup and daily pollution. Perfect for all of your fall adventures, these travel-friendly cleansing pads are made make it easy to remove excess makeup and excess oil and buildup while also nourishing the skin thanks to rosewater and sweet almond oil. Something to note, if you see dark flecks on the pad, don't worry, that's totally normal. When harvested from cotton plants, white fiber cottons are separated from darker leaves and husks of the plant. Sometimes small flecks from these darker parts make it into the pads, which are made from 100% natural, renewable, and biodegradable cotton. These are harmless and will not affect the quality or effectiveness of the pad, so rest easy knowing they are safe. I like that it has a little like Ziploc bag part. I recently did a video, which I will link up above, on my travel-friendly skincare, and I actually packed a mini cleansing balm, but I feel like having mini wipes is going to be so much easier, especially because it is in that Ziploc bag form. I have moved away from single-use cotton products, but because it is a biodegradable cotton, similar to like the Clean Skin Club wipes, because it's biodegradable, I'm less inclined to have an issue with it versus, you know, using your traditional Neutrogena makeup wipes, which do not, and they are not super great for the environment. So I do typically only use reusable cotton. I'll use a reusable cotton round for toners and essences and exfoliators, but because it is clean, natural, and biodegradable, I will happily be trying this out. Next up, this is from Farah. This is a 2.8 milliliter deluxe sample lipstick. It actually looks like a pretty color. This is a liquid lipstick that gives you the best of both worlds, long-lasting matte color, and a gorgeous deep red shade, long-lasting moisture thanks to vitamin E and jojoba oil. I'm going to set this off to the side and use this in an upcoming video, because you know I like doing a whole big thing when I have a bunch of makeup to try. Farah makes one of my favorite brushes of all time. This came in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I want to say 3 months ago, and it is still my go-to. You can tell because it has blush on one side and bronzer on the other. I use this pretty much every time I do my makeup. So because it's a brand that I already have a favorite from, I'm absolutely going to try this out in an upcoming video, see how the formula feels, and see how we like it. And the last item in the regular size Glam Bag is the M2U NYC Eyeshadow Primer. Retails for $8. You want your eyes to look and last. This Stay All Day formula creates a smooth canvas while providing a grip for your subtle, dramatic eyeshadows so that they will never cake, crease, smudge, or run. It is a lightweight, so you can barely feel it on the eyes to create a flawless finish every time. We are going to put that to the test because I have very oily lids. So I'm going to put that with the lipstick as something we're going to try out in an upcoming video because I want to give that like a full day wear test and see how that works out. Now, obviously, it's going to be hard to do a retail value on this because they are sample sizes, but based on the fact that the Dewy Cream is such a hot, like, people love this product, and it is an expensive product, I am definitely going to say that this month, this is absolutely worth the $13 price point, in addition to the fact that this is the cutest Ipsy makeup bag I've ever seen. All of the months that I've gotten the Ipsy regular Glam Bag, I do save all of the bags, and I'll use them for traveling, I'll use them for certain things. But this one is so cute, you will absolutely see me using this in the future. Moving on to the Glam Bag Plus. Now this is the $25 a month subscription price. It is going to be a full size, I'm sorry, $28 a month. This is the $28 a month, retails for $28, 5 full-size items, and we are going to jump in and talk about all of them. So the first item out of the bag comes from the brand. This is Butter, the Vitamin C Serum. Now I'm going to pull up a browser and Google it because I didn't see it listed in the products listed for the Ipsy feature. When you go onto the app, it does say all of the products that are available. So I went through, found the ones that they sent me so that I can get a little bit more information on them. But this one wasn't in there, so either it is a repeat item that they're just tossing into my bag because why not, or it's just not listed. So this is listed on the Butter Skin website as a daily dose of brightening and antioxidants, retailing for $39. Get more radiance and smoother complexion with our proprietary mix of retexturizing vitamin C. An antioxidant-rich formula combines the right amount of vitamins to revitalize your skin and improve the appearance of dark spots. Apply 4 to 5 drops to freshly cleansed and dry skin. Apply in a circular motion. It uses ascorbic acid, and let's just do a quick check of the ingredients. Green tea, which is nice and calming. Grape, which is calming. There's dimethicone, so this is going to give you a little bit of that blurred effect, but I'm not really too concerned with that because so many things do have dimethicone. Glycerin is also very hydrating. Now, like I say with all skincare, until you give a product 28 to 60 days, you're really not going to see results. So it is very mindful to give yourself time to see those results before you say, I love it or I hate it. So I am going to set this to the side, and when I finish my next vitamin C serum, this will be the next one I try out. Again, all of these products do have little expiration dates on them as well. This one expires March of 2023. So I have some time to use this before it expires. So I'm going to use the things I already have open and some things that might be a little closer to expiration before opening this one up. The next item is also a serum. This is from the brand Dermalect. It is the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. Retailing for $42, this face and neck serum uses a blend of firming amino acids, exfoliating acids, and antioxidant-rich vitamin C to dramatically help smooth and brighten skin. Apply a few drops to clean face, neck, and chest before bed, and follow with a moisturizer. So this is a PM-specific item. There is witch hazel in here, so it can be seen as a little bit drying, but it also then would be a little tightening. There's also salicylic acid in here, which is going to help with refining the size of your pores and getting dead skin out. So whereas this skin has a lot of oils in it and tends to be more for that glowy hydration, dry skin type person, this one seems to be a little more tailored towards normal skin or even oily skin. So once again, once you open it, you have 12 months to use it up. So I am going to hold off on using that for the same exact skincare ranty reasons. I'm not going to open this one. But everything I've used from Dermalect I've liked. But I will be honest, I haven't used a ton from their line, so I'm excited to try this one out. So I don't know if this is listed as a product, but there is an Ipsy little satin hair scarf. It has an Ipsy brand logo somewhere on there. There it is. It says Ipsy. So this is actually really cute. I will probably end up using this to do like product shots on top of. If you have been over on my Instagram, you'll see I do product shots all the time. So I will probably use the scarf as like some sort of flat lay because I think things will look cute on top of it. But typically not a product I go for. I do have another scarf right over here on this bottom shelf, which is just wrapped around a box because it looked cute, but not really something I typically use. I just want to like verify. That is not an item. I'm not counting that as an item. I think that was just kind of like an add-on. The next item comes from, we're going to have a debate again, Viseart or Viseart. This is the Petite Pro Un palette. I'm going to open this for you. I'm going to keep the protective film on because I'm probably going to toss this in an upcoming giveaway that does have plastic on top. Don't worry, we are not exposing the shadow to air, so it is still going to be sanitary if I do end up giving this away. The reason I'm going to give this away is I have like 10 of the Viseart palettes. They are one of the best formulas I have ever worked with. I am a huge fan of their product, but I feel like I have all of these colors in the various other palettes I have. Although now that I think about this, it's really travel friendly and some beautiful shades, so I might end up keeping it for travel. I don't know yet, but this retails for $30. It is a compact palette. These are expensive shadows, so $30 for the mini. The full sizes are like $80 to $100 each. Complete with 8 super pigmented and blendable shades in matte, satin, and shimmer finishes, you get everything you need to channel your inner makeup artist. Apply with your preferred brush or applicator. I will agree, this is one of the best formulas on the market. I put it up there with Pat McGrath and Natasha Denona. And because this is like a cool toned palette, you got your pop of purple, your neutrals. Yeah, I changed my mind. I'm going to pop this into the eyeshadow video that we're going to do when we test out the new primer from the Glam Bag, and I'm going to probably test it out in that video, just so I can play around with the shades. Let me know if you'd like to see a tutorial. Next from Murad, this is the Renewing Eye Cream. They did change the packaging, but I have used this product so many times. I am so aware of how it works. Now, this is not in the original packaging that I'm used to. It's in a little bit of a sleeker design, so it is a much cuter package. But this is one of my favorite eye creams of all time. I have used this many, many times. I've been raving about this on my channel for probably 3 years now. Definitely something I recommend. Retailing for $82. This hydrating eye treatment helps to brighten, minimize fine lines, reduce puffiness in one step. Made with a mix of peptides and retinol, it helps to boost collagen production, making the delicate skin around your eyes feel more supple and soft. I absolutely agree with all of those claims. I absolutely love this eye cream. I will be using this. It's going to go in the second I finish whatever eye cream I currently have open. Next from Tarte, this is a $19 full-size eyeliner. It's actually from the brand Sugar Rush, which is Tarte's sister brand. We are calling this liner everything proof. Jet black pigments will not run, smear, or smudge for a full 16 hours, even on your waterline. Just twist up the product in the liner as it wears down and use a built-in sharpener. I'm going to pass on this just because I have so many liners that I keep in front of me. A bunch of those were lip, but that is a combination of lip and eyeliners. I have so many liners open and I don't need another black liner. Tarte makes some great liners, so I know it's going to be a good formula, but personally I don't need another open black eyeliner. And the last item is actually one that I tried to order I did a full face of Il Makiage that I'm going to link up above. I did that video a very long time ago, and they were sold out of mascara at the time, and now I have the Il Makiage Icon Mascara in the shade Black. Now, this retails for $25. It is a multitasking mascara, which is a uniquely shaped silicone brush that lifts, thickens, and lengthens, and curls each and every lash for dramatic, wide-eyed look. Wiggle the wand from lash roots to tip, apply more coats for volume. Again, retails for $25. I've heard such amazing things about this mascara, but it was always sold out, so I was never able to get my hands on it. I'll be doing the full test out when we do the whole eye routine in that upcoming video, but I do just want to take a look. Yeah, it's a nice small wand, which you know is the kind of wand I like. I feel like I can get a really nice application with this, so I am going to just set this to the side, and we'll try it out in that video. Now, all in, this had a retail value of $192 for the $25 price point. Like I said, there were a few products in here that I didn't necessarily try. However, $30 value, and I already know I love the formula. $82 value, and I already know I love this product. So I definitely got more than the $25 in value out of the products I already know and love. And the product that I was really excited to try, I'll be happy to put to the test. So, that being said, both of the bags this month are absolutely worth their price of $13 and $25 respectively. I would love to hear your opinions down below. Do you think that these Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Pluses were worth it? I am going to put a bunch of this stuff to the test in an upcoming video, so make sure you're subscribed so you can come back and see that. Also, like I mentioned, I do have a paid bag that's coming. So we're going to do a paid versus PR coming up. Do we think the paid bag or the PR bag is better? I know a lot of you have been interested in seeing whether or not influencers on a PR list get better products or if people paying get better. So we're going to do a full comparison next week when that bag arrives. Thank you so much. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!